YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So, all right, y'all, I know y'all seen that thumbnail, and I know y'all read that title. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you're new, and welcome to the Boos. Like, we welcome everybody on this channel, y'all. And if you like how-to videos, vlogs, daily lifestyles, then this is the channel for you. So just make sure you stay tuned. So, all right, y'all. First thing first is what you want to do is to make a simple intro, an animated intro, like how my intro is. It's just basic, plain, cute, and I kind of like it that way. And it's short and to the point. So if you want to know how to make your intro sweet, short, and to the point, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all that right now. I'm going to be using two apps. I'm going to be using CapCut, and I'm going to be using PixArt. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and find you a background image that you want to use for your intro. So what I normally do is I'll go to the internet and I'll just go to like Pinterest. And then once I'm on Pinterest, I just look up like aesthetic wallpapers, or you can type in like aesthetic backgrounds and just pretty much find the one that you want, the image that you're looking for. So I think this is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and save if it lets me. Let me see if I can save this image. I think it won't let me. I think it's like a downloaded. Okay, so it's actually like a animated image, so it won't let me save it. So I'm gonna choose something else. So you can just click through and find the one that you like, the one that fits best for you, which I think I already had found one. And then you can also, like I said, you can put in aesthetic backgrounds, and that'll bring up a little bit more from you to choose from as well. So you could just choose one of these backgrounds that you want. And I do like this one, so I'll go ahead and save this image. And then instead of using the one that I already had for this tutorial, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. So now that we saved the image that we want for the background, what we want to do now is go to PixArt. And the reason why we're using PixArt is just to go ahead and add your name on there. So for instance, I'm gonna go to the plus sign here at the bottom. I'm going to scroll all the way down till I get to color backgrounds, and I'm going to choose the transparent background. So once I choose that, I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, on text, and I'm going to type in Life with Boo. And I can go ahead and change to make it a little bit bigger, and I can change the font as well. So you just want to go through and find a font that works for you. And then once you find that font, which I'm just running through these now just to see which one I like better here, just for this tutorial. And so I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. And so I can keep it just like this. That is fine. So I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to go ahead and save this image as a transparent image. So we got the background from Pinterest. We have our name to our channel. We go into PixArt to create that. So now that we're done with that, now we want to go into CapCut. CapCut is an editing tool that I use a lot. And I absolutely love this. So once you get the CapCut, you want to go ahead and hit the plus sign to add a new project. You want to go to photos, and you're going to go ahead and add that photo that we saved from Pinterest. So once we have it saved here, you can go ahead and actually click on it and drag it till you get to about, I normally do it to like 7 seconds. So I'm going to just keep dragging it until I get to 7. So I'm at 7 now. And so now that we have this, I'm going to go ahead and do an overlay. So at the bottom here, it'll say you have all these different tools you can use. I'm going to go ahead and choose overlay. I'm going to hit the plus sign to add an overlay, and I'm going to add that transparent name that we did in PixArt. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you can size it up as big as you want by using your fingers to expand it out or expand it back in. And you can place it wherever you would like as well. And then keep in mind, this is just a basic intro. You can make the name with a different color other than white. So if you did want to just change the color of the name, you can go back and just do text, write life with Boo. Hit the check sign, and then from here you can go ahead and expand it. And then if I wanted to, I can go ahead and hit color on that and make it whatever color that I want it to be, like this. And so yeah, so you can have a color on there if you want to. I just pretty much kept mine white, basic, and yeah. But you can choose a color if you want to as well. So actually, let me go ahead and delete this really quick because I wanted to start from the very beginning. So let me take this cursor all the way down to here, and then I'm going to hit the plus sign to add overlay again. I'm going to hit my name that's transparent, and then here it is. So once we have it here, you just want to click it and drag it to 7 to where it matches up to where the ending point is for you. And then once we have that, so now to make it a little bit creative here, you can go ahead and you can also change the format on this. So if you want it to be a different format, you can do that as well. You can make it as big as you like, as small as you like, or you could just do fit size. And then, so from here to make it animated, what you want to do is you want to go to effects. And then we have all these different effects that we can use. I normally go up under basic and I do like one of the shakes. So I'll do like a camera shake. So like for instance, my intro that I have now, it does have a camera shake. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as such. But you can go ahead and choose this one. You could choose pretty much whatever one you want. You can make it blurry. You can make it shake real fast. So yeah, you could pretty much just do pick and choose from these of which one that you're wanting for your video. And then once you find the one that you want, and you can also do this one as well, which that one is cute too. And then once you have the one that you're wanting, you could just hit the check sign and that'll go ahead and save it on there. And so we'll have it start here. We'll drag it all the way to the bottom. And then so it'll be, so this is how it looks so far. All right, cool. So once we have that, we can go ahead and add some more effects to this. So I normally go up under mood as well as an option, and you can choose confetti. They have all kind of different stuff. They have winter lights you can choose from. My favorite that I actually have on my intro now that a lot of people do ask me about. Let me find it for y'all. So I normally use the Metamorphosis mood. So this is the one that I use in my intro now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the check sign on that one as well. I'm going to drag it to the end to where I want it to stop. And then once I have it all lined up to how I want it to be, we're going to go ahead and see what it looks like now. All right, so I mean, I love that. It's cute. I like it. All right, so yeah, and that is how you would do a basic intro, you guys. And then if you also want to add music, you can also add audio. So you just go to audio, you'll go to sounds, and you'll go ahead and choose a sound, or you can go ahead and go to sounds and then extract a sound. So if you have a sound like in your SoundCloud or already on your phone, you can go ahead and do that as well, which I don't have any music on my phone because it holds a lot of storage. But if you do, you can go ahead and just import it directly from there. But yeah, y'all, that is enough for today's video. I hope y'all like this tutorial. If it was anything that I left out or I didn't mention, just make sure y'all leave that down in the comments below. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Next video. Hey.